Hello YouTube friends. Well, I just got my delivery from Dooney. This is the Pebble grain shoulder messenger bag, I believe. So let's see what it looks like together. Now this one definitely has a nod to the Coach Emery and also the Hermes Evelyn bag to me. This one has a real similar look. And I have wanted one like that for a long time. So when this came up on sale, I was floored. It was during their Mother's Day sale on I Love Dooney, which is probably still going on. If you use the code MOM, I think it was a certain percentage off. I think they said up to 70% off. But this one happened to be just on clearance, so that code didn't work with it, I don't think. Anyhow, it was a great deal. So, oh, they gave me a little brochure here. This is nice. I don't recall them giving me a brochure before. How nice. There's different things in the collection, and then there's a little spring mini catalog. That's cute. Very good. Yeah, as you can tell, I've gone back to Dooney a lot more than Coach recently because their quality is great. I find myself reaching for my Dooney bags all the time. Coach, not so much. So let's see here. I have my receipt. Let's change this. Huh. That's funny. It has my old address on it. I don't know how it got to me if it has my old address, but there you go. I had the correct address and it came to my new address, so that's kind of weird. But whatever, I guess it's that way in the system. A nice box. I'll save that in case I decide to sell any bags. I know there are so many people that have been doing blog sales, and I'm thinking maybe I should. I have a few bags I didn't donate. Maybe I should, but I don't know. So this is the code of the bag. It is the Caramel Messenger, and this size looks perfect to me. This looks really good. I'm glad it's all wrapped up because you can tell this was not used. It was not a return as far as I can see. It looks good. I like this. This is really cute. I don't know how to take this down. Okay. Let me just take this off. Hopefully it'll be quick. I like the strap. The strap is really unusual. It is big. So as you can see, I'm going to turn on the light and see if we can get some more light on this. The lighting is good in here because it's sunny out, but it's just getting to be that afternoon light. So that is really nice. I like this. Look at that. It's just so understated and classic. That is really pretty. I like that. Now, where'd my measuring tape go? I just had it. Oh, here it is over here. So let's take the measurements of this before I get it all unwrapped. So this is 10.5 at the bottom. Perfect. About 9.5 tall, and the depth of it is 3 inches. The strap drop on this is, let's see, ooh, that's nice, 12 inches. And then you can adjust it. It has buckles. Now I hate this. Okay, this is what I hate. Look how ugly this is. I don't know how Dooney, can you see that? I don't know how Dooney sends this out like that. Look at the underside. It looks all cracked. I mean, this is brand new out of the wrapping. This is just what the leather is like now that they put on the back of the straps. It looks horrible. How are you gonna send out something that looks that cracked? It's not cracked, but it just has weird, isn't that weird? Weird like scratches or something. I guess they use the some other part of the hide or something. So now this is, whoops, this is how this goes. You pull it down a little bit and then up. So it remains to be seen if that's going to bother me. I'll do it again with it in focus, hopefully. So let's see. How do you put this on? You kind of go down and pull up. So I'm sure that will loosen up with time, but it kind of is longer on this side and shorter on this side. So you pull down and out. And that's the only closure on the top, which I like. I mean, I like the looks of this one. It is very nice. So it comes with the dust bag, which is great. Lots of good stuffing in here. I'm gonna keep it this time. And about 50 million of these little goodies. That is nice. I like it. I have a Bitsy bag in the same color. So it's got the Sierra leather trim. I suppose you could take these off. It looks like you probably could unbuckle them and just take them off if you didn't like the strap. I have a strap that I bought separately from Dooney. I think I got it from HSN years ago, but it's the Sierra leather color and it's a crossbody strap and it's beautiful. And I don't know why they don't usually sell those anymore. I don't see them anywhere. But yeah, the Sierra leather just goes with everything. And this you can adjust, so you can put it to the lower one if you wanted more of a strap drop. I guess, yeah, it would make this go up more. That's nice, just a very basic bag. You've got the key leash inside. You have the zippered pocket, a slip pocket, and another bigger slip pocket here. And it's that red interior. This is in great condition. I mean, it's obviously very new, but other than the underside of that strap, which no one is going to see, it looks fine. The strap is really nice. I think it's different. I don't have anything with this type of strap on it. And like I said, it has the adjustment here. You've got 3 spots, so you could buckle it in different spots. But that is neat. I like that. So this would not be a good rain bag because it's open at the top. You just have this little latch thing. And then you've got a nice zippered pocket at the back. And that's a good depth. Very cute. That is really pretty. I like the caramel color. It's such a good neutral. But doesn't it kind of remind you of like the Hermes Evelyn bag, just the shape of it, or the Coach Emery? Really similar. Very cute. It's not that heavy either. It's heavy-ish, I think, because of the strap and all the hardware on the strap. Because the strap has extra hardware that they don't normally have. So I think that makes it a little bit heavier, but the bag itself is pretty light. Very nice, and this is just the pebble grain leather. My cat has already found the bag full of full of stuffing down there, so she's having a good old time. But that is really pretty. I like this bag. So I might end this video here, or I might do a what fits once I start using it, so stay tuned. Okay, so I think today the light is better. You can see what we're working with here. So this is the beautiful Pebbled messenger bag from Dooney & Bourke, and we're going to see what fits inside. And this is my Madewell Piazza drawstring bag, which I love. I know Loewe has a bag that looks kind of similar to this. This is the one that does not have the puffy handles. It's just a crossbody, which I love. It's very cute. I know I meant to put this in with my bucket bags in that video, but I had misplaced it and I found it right away. So let's see what I can move from here into here, see what fits. Now, unfortunately, these are apparently now sold out. And I think when I got it, it had said last one. So I didn't really have a choice. I had to buy it, right? But they do have it available in Florentine leather. And if I remember, I'll put the link down below. I got this for $130. I think the regular price was listed as $325. So I have sunglasses. I doubt that as much will fit in here because it's a stiffer, smaller bag. I have my cute little zippered catch-all. I got this at an antique store. It's not an antique, but it is so cute. It's got a fuzzy Converse shoe on it, and it's made on a fabric that has Simplicity pattern girls on it, which I love. So this is my catch-all. It's crazy. I love it. And just everything. I've got my inhaler, I've got some lip balm, some Band-Aids, all sorts of stuff. It's very handy, but it's big, so I don't know if this will even fit. I might have to leave this out. Let's see. Put it at the bottom. Nope, it fits just fine. Have my other reading glasses. This is in my Portland Leather Goods. Havana is the color. It's kind of a coppery bronze color. It's beautiful. Those in there. Let's see, I got tissues. I'll put those in a slip pocket. Let's see, just a paper. I've got my Dooney and Burke wallet. This is in the color Oyster. It's beautiful. It's kind of like the lightest shade of taupe you can imagine. And this little wallet has been great. Pebbled leather. I'll put that over here. Well, so far everything's fitting really good. Jeez. My little Portland Leather Goods mini dop kit. This is so cute. I have my headphones in here, my earbuds, put those in there, and I've got my little pillowcase. I think that's all I have in here, and some gum, but that doesn't need to go in. So it looks like everything did fit. That's awesome. And then I can put my phone in the back here. I'm sure that will fit just fine because it's a nice size pocket. The size of this really reminds me of my Dooney Presley bag. So if you like that size, then this will be great. And it would close no problem at all. Everything fits nicely. I didn't even use the zippered pocket, and you've still got a lot more room in there. So this is great. It is beautiful. Okay, so let's attempt to take this off, and we'll see what it looks like with other straps. This is one of those things that I'm going to need to refer to this to get it back on, I'm sure. But it just looks like it unbuckles. And then maybe this pulls out. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Aha! See? So you can remove it. The only thing to remember is that the buckles point down when you're putting it back on. That's actually easy to remove. And I like that these little loops are sewn on so it doesn't drop off like a Coach bag would where you'd never find it again. So here's the one I was talking about. This is my Dooney Sarah colored leather, but it wasn't called Sarah at the time. I got this years ago and I absolutely love it. It is a beautiful leather, but it goes with all of these bags pretty well. And I like the gold hardware on it. I got this on clearance from, I want to say it was Home Shopping or something, but it's one of those 3-part straps, so it's a really long crossbody, or it could be shoulder. So I just love it, and I think it was something ridiculous like $19 or something crazy like that. So, but you could, you could hook it on to here. That works just fine. Close this up. It's getting easier every time I try and close that. Yeah, that's perfect. That works out really well. So the stitching color is yellow on this and white on this. That's the only thing that doesn't really go. But I think the color works. It could definitely work with it. It's not exact, but you know, it would work. Also, I could get another strap like on my Presley or my Piper. They have the actual Sierra leather that would match this too. So I could put that, but I think they buckle. So that, I don't think that would work on this. I have to have one with the dog leash clips. But that's nice. I'll try and, if I think about it, I will try and insert some mod shots in here. You know how I love to do those. But that makes a very long crossbody, and that is very comfortable too. Okay, so I have one more to try, and I kind of liked this one the best looking at it. This was from my Ralph Lauren, the barrel bag that is the luggage color. And I love this because it doesn't really match the barrel bag either. The barrel bag is all luggage color, but this webbing strap is kind of a khaki, but it's got the color that would match here. And so if I wanted to have kind of that Evelyn look with the webbing strap, and even though these are kind of smaller clasps, they do work on here, and it's got the gold. That's cute. I really like that. That works out good. I might carry it with this on it. That is super cute. I like that. So let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite strap for this. If you like the original one that it came with. Oops, one of those just went flying off. I spoke too soon. Well, I'll get that later. Beware if you do this, these little rings will fall off. Oh, darn it. Anyhow, do you like the original short shoulder strap, this crossbody strap, which does match well, it blends, or the webbing strap? I think the webbing gives it a really nice look. I like that we have options here. This is good. It beats the Henry's version of this bag, which I really love. I think that one is much more of a dupe for the Hermes bag, but that one doesn't have removable straps at all. It just has a webbing strap, and that's it. And so that's the reason I have not bought that one. I think it's adorable, but yeah, I like to remove the straps and change them out. So this one works pretty well. I like that. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video about this really cute bag. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.